Hey friends, if you encounter issues that you are detecting an unidentified network in the list of networks here, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, the issue could either be from the router's end or it could be from the system end. So to isolate the case with the router end, just restart the router and right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart your computer. The next solution will be only one, which is to reset the network. Why? Because a network reset will reset the IP address, it will flush the DNS, it will reset WinSock and do a lot more things. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane select advanced network settings and then select network reset and then select reset now. So this will reset the network and resolve the problem. But if not, you can also consider running the network troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.